Thank you for visiting the Kelton House Museum and Garden and for taking part in the guided audio tour. Throughout the museum, there are specific stops with audio information and interpretation. The second half of the 19th century. Reflecting the culturally diverse nature of the past and present, the Kelton House Museum preserves and develops its facility and collections, interprets local history, educates the community, and trains volunteers. The Junior League of Columbus fulfilled Grace Kelton's wishes by preserving her family home and representing the history of her family and the city of Columbus. Our museum provides a tangible representation of the mission of the Junior League of Columbus. The Junior League of Columbus is an organization of women committed to promoting volunteerism, developing the potential of women, and improving communities through the effective action and leadership of trained volunteers. Its purpose is exclusively educational and charitable.
Designer, and it was her vision that her family home become a museum of the decorative arts and local history. The most significant piece in the main hall is the tall case clock created by Thomas Harlan, a student of David Burnap. It was made in approximately 1790. We think it's probably from Rhode Island, and it has a beautiful waisted shape, and the chime rings on the hour.